The SQL is a vulnerable machine that contains a MySQL database. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to enumerate the MySQL database and get into the database. Enumeration. As you can see the IP address of our target machine. Let's start with the nmap scan, and find out the open port using sudo nmap-sc-sv, and then specify the IP address. Where -sc performs a script scan using the default set of scripts, and -sv is used to enable version detection, which will detect what versions are running on what port. As you can see, we only found one open port, that is 3306, which runs a service. MySQL is a service designed for database management to create, modify, and update databases, change and add data, and more. Foothold. In order to communicate with the database, we need to install either MySQL or MariaDB on our local machine. To do that, you need to run the update command to update the dependencies. Now run sudo apt-get install MySQL. Make sure you include the symbol at the end of the command to include all the related MySQL packages available. This will cover all of your needs for now. After the installation is complete, you can run the help command to see how the service commands are used. Always remember, the MySQL clients usually authenticate with the service with a username and password combination. However, it is essential to test for passwordless authentication, as there might be an intentional misconfiguration in the service, which would allow personnel to easily log into the service during the deployment stage of the project to easily interact with it before making it available to other colleagues. In the present situation, an initial attempt can be to attempt to log in as the root user, naturally having the highest level of privileges on the system. Use this command, where -h is used to connect to host and -u is used to specifying the user for login if not the current user. As you can see, it does not ask me for a password, which means we have connected to the database without having the password. We are placed in a MySQL service shell from where we can explore the tables and data therein that are available to us. If you need help with MySQL command syntax, you can refer to the cheat sheet provided by MySQL. The commands we are going to use are essential for navigation. Our first command is show database and specifies semicolon. From the output, the HTTP database seems to be of value to us. In order to see what rests inside it, we will need to select the HTTP database. To achieve this, the use HTTP command can be used. We have successfully changed the database. The next step is to check what tables does the HTTP database contains. We can achieve this by following up with the show tables command. We have two tables that are config and users. These can be checked sequentially for their content by using the select all from config command, where config is the exact name of the table you want to explore, taken from the output above. As you can see, the flag is listed in this table. Copy it and paste it to tasks. You can find the answers from my blogs. If you have any doubts or queries on my video, write me a comment in my comment section.